Welcome to Homework Lib.
Okay, so there's several things to find here. First, this is a special right triangle. This is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And in this triangle, we have the short leg, the long leg is times square root 3, and the hypotenuse is double the short leg. So that would mean x is the long, well, we have 14 square root 3 is the long leg, which means the short leg must be 14. The long leg is 14 square root 3. The hypotenuse is double, that's 28. The area of a triangle would be 1/2 times base times height. The base is 14 square root 3, and the height we just said is 14. And so 1/2 times 14 is 7 times another 14 is 98 square root 3 exactly. If you want to estimate that, that's about a 169.7. Okay, and the area of the circle, an area of a circle is pi times the radius, which would be the x, which is 14 squared. Exactly, 14 squared is 196. So you can say 196 pi, or that's roughly 615.44 if you're using decimals. Number 18, or excuse me, 19. We have 12, which is a tangent, which means it's creating a right angle with the circle, the center of the circle. The radius is x, so it's going to be x here as well. And what we're doing is creating a right triangle, which allows us to use the Pythagorean theorem, where the hypotenuse would be the x and 7 together. And then we've got the other two legs of the triangle, x and 12. So x squared plus 12 squared. X plus 7 squared is x squared plus 14x plus 49. 12 squared is 144. Subtract x squared to both sides and they're gone, so 14x plus 49 equals 144. Subtract 49 to both sides, and 14x equals 95, and then divide by 14. And I would just say it's 95/14 exactly, or about 6.79. Number 20, you want to find the angle. This would be 7 here as well. Right triangle, you can use SOHCAHTOA. From that angle, 7 is the opposite, and this is together the hypotenuse. Opposite hypotenuse is sine, so the sine of the angle equals opposite of 7 over the hypotenuse, which would be 7 plus 9, or 16. And so x would be the inverse sine of 7/16. Into a calculator, make sure your calculator is in degree mode. And then you can do inverse sine of 7/16. Not sure if you can see this actually. I don't remember the setting I picked. 7 over 16, if you don't see it, comes out to 25.9 degrees. Hope that helps out.